I am Ina Palma and I'm here today in Dr. Carlos Lanting College to interview our dear Professor Henry Rubiñol. Good morning, Sir Henry.
Yes, good morning.
Sir, I come here today to ask you a few questions. Now, the first question is, how long have you been teaching?
I've been teaching for the past 20 years. I joined Lanting College and other universities, handling specifically psychiatric nursing and some hospital subjects.
So far, sir, are you enjoying your teaching now?
I'm enjoying in the area of teaching because as I handle my clients in Lanting and other university, we receive a lot of positive remarks.
Thank you, sir. Well, sir, my next question is, what do you think is the future of forensic nursing in our country?
The future of forensic nursing in the Philippines, although we do not have practitioners in forensic nursing in the Philippines now, we look forward that we can put up the core of forensic nurses in the Philippines. And mind you, the participants today will form part of the core of forensic nurses in the Philippines.
Wow, that would be great, sir. Sir, my other question is, do you have any experience that correlates with forensic nursing?
I work for 7 years at the National Center for Mental Health Forensic Pavilion.
Sir?
But that is only specifically forensic psychiatric nursing. We know for a fact that we have a lot of areas now in forensic nursing, not only in psychiatric nursing. Nonetheless, my stay at the Pavilion 4 Forensic Pavilion gives me a lot of knowledge, information, and skills in handling forensic nursing.
Lastly, sir, what is your message to today's participant?
As I've said, we look forward for these participants that we can form a core of forensic nurses in the Philippines. Mind you, we are the pioneer in the forensic nursing in the Philippines.
Thank you so much, Sir Henry.
God bless.